Okay, so today we're going to show you how to do a dumbbell step up with a shoulder press involved. So let's just do a couple without me demonstrating anything at all, because typically you see everybody doing these at the gym. And so we're doing it very close to correct. And the next thing that we need to think about is the ribs at all times. So take a huge breath before we even start. Exhale. Then the ribs are stacked on top of each other. You can still breathe, but you're breathing in through the lower core. Now let's put one foot on there, step all the way up, and then we're going to add the shoulder press into it. So right now this is just the dumbbell step up. And then the next part is you're going to step up. Yep. So step up on that too for me, both there. And then now knee and shoulders. Good. And then come back down, next leg. There, ribs. There you go. Good. Slow it down, all the way up. Kick. There you go. Good. So right now your shoulders aren't too tight, but the average person's shoulders are so tight that they really have to bend to do that. Just think about if you have to bend so much, maybe it's not the right exercise yet for you. So let's break it down, go slow again. So up, exhaling to keep these ribs down, all the way up. Good. Next leg. So right now, working full body. It's going to work the shoulders, triceps, core, legs, butt, everything, all the good spots. Good. Perfect.